Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 80. Can you believe I've got up and done this for 80 days? And a lot of you watched it for 80 days. So thanks, guys. Anyway, I did figure up yesterday, my 100th episode will be when I'm in Daytona. So that's kind of cool, right? Anywho, as you saw yesterday, our Valentine's Day wasn't anything spectacular. We just hung out last night with our adult daughter and watched the Minions and just hung out as a family. So it's always good to have family time, right? Anywho, busy day today. I think we have three different sponsorship calls, and then I mentioned last week that I have a bike I need to go rescue, and I have a plan for this bike, and I was trying to decide whether I buy a trailer or I rent a truck and trailer, what I do. And Mama Badger said you should put it out there in the universe. Anybody that's near me here in Port Charlotte, Florida, that would like to that has a truck and trailer and would like to help me go get this bike, that would be awesome. I will pay gas, I will buy you lunch, I can even pay you a little bit for the truck and trailer if need be, but I don't want to spend too much because this bike's going to be a charity thing. I am going to build it, make sure everything is good on it, right on it, and then we're giving it away. So I don't want to spend too much money on it, and so we're going to try to save as much money as possible during this whole project, so we can give it away without going broke. Anyway, so if any of you guys are near here and would like to take a few hours of your day and help me do that, that would be freaking fantastic. Or you know anybody, let me know. Anyway, it is time. Coffee, shower, work. Probably not in that order. It seems like I get coffee, I go to work, and then I take a shower later. So anyway, let's get to work. Whew, what another crazy busy day. 3 different sponsorship calls today. And we got new patches. Or we got the same patches, but we were out of them, so we got a new shipment of patches in today. We had some people that had already ordered, so we got those orders out, and then I announced it, and I've seen a bunch of more orders come in tonight, which is fantastic. So we will get up in the morning, count up all those orders, and make sure to get those out tomorrow. So if you wanted a Support Bikers Badger Nation patch, we have them back in stock. They're like $10. I think it's $10.75 with shipping. So if you want one, www.supportbikers.com/shop. You will find all of our merchandise there, but you'll also find our patches. And Mama Badger is gone for the evening. She is with Nerdy Badger at Nerdy Badger's house doing their dance thing. And then, of course, tomorrow night is line dancing, which we're going to have a couple of guests tomorrow night that are coming to see us while they're there. So I'll be at the line dancing tomorrow night as well. So excited. And I was like, you know what? I need to go out and I need to shoot another V-Rod video. The V-Rod videos have been going great on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. Everybody like loves to hate the V-Rod. I'm just having a good time introducing new stuff to a lot of people that didn't know much about the V-Rod. So I've been shooting little short videos on the V-Rod, and everybody seems to be really enjoying them. So I'm having fun with that. I was planning on doing it tonight, but honestly, I'm just not feeling it. I'm tired. In fact, I'm barely getting this video done, but I am going to fire up Silver and go for a ride. Go for a little night ride. I haven't done that in a while. Silver needs to be ridden. I've got to get her broken in, and I haven't had time to like take off during the day and ride her. So I'm going to fire her up tonight, and I'm going to take her for a ride. And then somebody on one of the Facebook Fat Boy groups had asked if I had a video of what it sounds like with gear drive cams. I'm going to record it for him, but like I told him, my bike's pretty freaking loud. Those of you that know. I don't know that you're going to be able to hear anything, because he was asking if it whined. I don't think so, but honestly, I can't hear it. It's too freaking loud. So I guess if you were running like stock pipes or less pipes than what I'm running, you'd be able to hear that. Can't hear it on my bike, so I'm going to record it for him anyway. That was a question I've got to ask. So if you guys see a question on Facebook or YouTube or wherever, and you know the answer or have your own answer, do you answer that person's question or do you not? Because you know there's going to be some asshole come along that's going to have some stupid comment or going to argue with you or disagree with you. It doesn't matter what you say. You can literally say the sky is blue and somebody's going to argue with you, right? So it happens to me a lot because I do. If you ask a question and I know the answer or, have a theory, I'm going to go ahead and tell it to you, because there was one time where, I didn't know the answers and I asked somebody and they were kind enough to take their time and their knowledge and share it with me. So I figure it is my responsibility that if you ask me a question that I have the answer to, for me to share that with you. Without being an asshole about it, without being a dick, just give you the answer. At least the best answer I know. And guys, there are always 20 answers to the same question. And a lot of times, multiple answers are the correct answer. So just if somebody doesn't have the same answer as you, that doesn't mean they're wrong. It just means it's different. So I guess I'm asking you guys, tell me in the comments below, do you guys avoid answering questions because you know that there's going to be crap stirred up about it? Or do you go ahead and answer the question, help the person out, and move on? Put a comment below. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to go ride silver. You have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.